Good afternoon, I'm Charlotte Jones with Money Borders News. Today from Washington, a historic decision is shaking the U.S. trade landscape. A federal court has struck down most of the tariffs imposed during former President Donald Trump's administration. Number 0.7, number, and jest. Subscribe to the channel to support the project and turn on the notification bell. If you found this information useful, give it a like to help the channel grow. This ruling carries major implications for international trade relations and the U.S. economy. For more details, let's go live to our correspondent at the White House, Robert Ken.
Thank you, Charlotte. The court ruled that a large portion of the tariffs applied to imported goods mainly from China lacked solid legal grounds and violated international trade agreements. This decision represents a direct blow to the Trump-era economic policy, which defended these tariffs as a way to protect domestic industry. Experts say the annulment could ease tensions with Beijing and other trading partners, though it also creates uncertainty for companies that had reorganized their supply chains around these tariffs. The White House has not yet released an official statement, but sources close to the administration indicate the government is weighing whether to appeal or comply with the ruling to reshape its trade strategy. These tariffs had major global repercussions, violating already established agreements and, even worse, placing China in the role of defender of free trade. It almost sounds like a utopia, the Chinese Communist Party as the champion of free trade in our time. In fact, the presidents of key U.S. allies have already traveled to China seeking to expand trade amid the instability caused by the Trump administration. The Prime Minister of Australia recently visited China after years of absence, along with 4 European leaders, and tomorrow Prime Minister Modi will arrive, joined by 29 other heads of state. Time will tell whether this strategy by the Trump administration was good, bad, or bittersweet. Back to the studio, Charlotte. This was my report. Greetings.
A major development that will certainly set the tone for the economic and diplomatic agenda in the coming weeks. Thank you, Robert Ken, for your report from Washington.